Once you've enrolled in your course, registered for an account on the Oxford Insight platform, and logged in, you will begin a 14-day free trial of Oxford Insight. This trial allows for the add-drop period, so you don't have to purchase the text until you're sure you want to remain in the class. But at any time during this free trial, you can click the Redeem/Buy Now button on your My Courses dashboard. Here, you can either purchase access directly or enter a 16-digit registration code if one has been provided to you. If your institution is part of an inclusive access program, this code will be available for you on your IA bookshelf. If your institution is not part of an inclusive access program, you may purchase access directly on the Oxford Insight platform or purchase a registration code from a third party at your campus bookstore or Red Shelf. Once access is purchased or granted via access code, you will have access to the ebook for your course as well as all associated digital resources for 180 days. For more information, please visit the Oxford Insight Knowledge Base. Good luck with your course. You've got this.